family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday mommy makeup routine in less than 10 minutes. It's for those moms who want to feel a little bit more productive with their day, so let's get into it. I love to start off my makeup routine with a really good moisturizer. My face feels so dry before I apply my makeup, so I really like to get that really good and moisturized. I'm using Cerave SPF Moisturizer. And next I like to go in with a really good primer, a mattifying primer, because I have combination oily skin. So this is by e.l.f. and it's really affordable and really good, really comparable to the Smashbox. After that, I usually go ahead and fill in my brows. I have really sparse brows, and if you have really thick brows, you don't have to worry about this part. But I have to fill my brows in. I just look really weird. So I'm just using a random eyebrow pencil from the beauty supply store. It's like my favorite one. It's really pigmented and I don't have to worry about like sharpening it constantly. So that's a really good eyebrow pencil. I usually just fill them in at the tail and kind of fill in the front just a little bit. Just to kind of make me look like I have some brows. I do like to brush through my brow as I'm filling them in. I don't really like a harsh line at the beginning or end of my brow, so that's why you keep seeing me use the spoolie. Okay, now I'm going in with one of the best concealers I've used by e.l.f. It's extremely affordable, but it's also very high pigmented, and it covers pretty much every blemish on your face. But I use this to outline my brows. I don't really like the harsh line like I said before, and it kind of makes your brows look more natural. So I use this, and I take my beauty blender by Real Techniques and fill that in. This thing is so old. I've reused it so many times. What I do is I actually wash it by using Dawn soap and hot water, and you put it in the microwave, rinse it out, it comes out good as new. So maybe y'all should try that. Now what I'm using now is a Covergirl Clean Matte BB Cream. Everybody always asks me what kind of foundation do you use, and that's the thing, I don't use foundation. I haven't worn foundation in a really long time. It's just too thick on my skin, and I don't like my skin to look like I have cake face. So I use a BB cream, and this is really good if you have oily skin and just want a light coverage. I really like my moles and my freckles to still shine through on my face, so that's the reason why I'm using this. The makeup brushes I'm using I got off Amazon several years ago, so I'm not quite sure what the name of them are, but I can try to find that and link that in the description box for you. Now I'm just going back in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer and lightening some of the parts of my face that are kind of dark or red. So I know you moms out there got those dark circles, so this definitely comes in handy. Okay, next I'm going to go in with a contour kit that I got from Ulta several years ago. It's the only contour kit that I've really ever used. I'll use the color at the bottom right to contour my face and bronze up my face to give my skin a little bit more depth. It kind of looks flat when you put foundation or BB cream on. Next, I'm going to brush through my brows with the NYX Eyebrow Mascara to make them look a little bit more natural. And lastly, on my face, I'm just going to go in with my Carli Bybel palette. I've had this for several years, and I just go in with the 2 matte shades at the right, and I combine those to set my lids, and then I go in with the it's like a purple shade to kind of give my eyes a little bit more depth. And from there, that's pretty much it all on my eyes. I don't really do much to my eyes. I love the highlighter that they have in here as well, so you'll see me put that on pretty soon. And I like to just go over my cheekbones, my forehead, my the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin, and that's pretty much it. Also, you'll see me highlighting my inner corners of my eyes. It kind of makes my eyes pop a little bit more. That's really all I do to my eyes. Now I'm going in with my favorite, my favorite mascara, y'all. Like, it's the Maybelline Telescopic. I've used this since I think I started doing makeup, and it has a really thin brush so that you can get the tops and bottoms of your lashes. So I don't wear falsies. I don't know how to put them on, so this is like the mascara that makes me appear as if I have falsies on. You're also going to see me use the tip of the mascara brush to darken the moles on my face. I have tons of moles on my face, and if they're covered, it kind of looks like I have pimples, so that's why I like to darken them. Another thing is, if you're new to my channel, welcome again, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you all. I am a new stay-at-home mom, and just want you all to follow me along on my journey and to give some tips that are helpful to me. So don't forget to like and comment on the videos that I've posted already. Now, since my lips look a little washed out, I like to go in with a regular brow lip pencil, a brown lip pencil, to kind of go over the outsides of my lips. And then I'm just using some gloss that I got from Royal Scents. I'll try to post that link below. It's a really good lip gloss. Also, shout out to Modest Maintenance. She has a really good lip gloss line, so check that out on Instagram. And that's pretty much it, y'all. You'll see me just taking some of the makeup off my nose ring, and voila.